Okay, so this is the quiz for connecting area and perimeter. So I'm just going to show you how I would solve these things, but let's listen to what they say.
Of this shape.
Okay, so perimeter is the outside, so basically I need to add all of the side lengths together. So I'm going to put 11 and 11 together first because, why don't you let me use the pen? Oh, okay. So 11 and 11, oof. Put those together. Oh my goodness. That's going to be 22. Which means I have these two sides done. 6 and 6 together I know is 12. So I'm actually just going to... Oh, you have to have it open the whole time. Wow, looky there. So 22 plus that 12. Oh my goodness. Is 34. So that got rid. I did these guys, so I still have my 8 centimeters left. So 34. Oh my gosh. Plus 8. Oh no. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the extra 10 there. 2 ones left over. 3 plus 1 is 4. Final answer, 42. Hopefully. Yippee! Okay, next question.
What is the perimeter of this rectangle?
Okay, so we're still talking perimeter, which means I'm still looking at the lengths of the outside. And since it's a rectangle, I know this side is also 5, and this side is also 8. So 5 and 5 is pretty quick for me. I know that makes 10. 8 plus 8 is 16, which leaves me with a 10 plus 16. Put those together, that's going to be 26.
The perimeter of this shape is 30 feet. What is the length of the missing side?
Okay, so I know putting all of these together gives me 30. So my end result should be 30. I can't even leave that there. That's how bad that is. So I know I need to get to 30. So I'm just going to put it down here at the bottom. Well, let's put some of these together first. 7 and 3 are friends of 10. So I'm going to put, there's 10. Well, I'm still not at 30, so I got to keep going. 11 plus 5 is 16. So far, if I put those together, got this guy and this guy, that gives me 26. So how much more do I need to get to 30? 4 more. So this has to be 4. Woohoo! Okay.
Shantae made this square picture. She wants to glue yarn around the border to make a frame. How much yarn does she need?
So it says border, which tells me that this is still a problem about perimeter. Because anytime we're measuring the outside, we're measuring the perimeter. So if this is a square, the special thing about squares is the fact that the sides are all equal length. So if one side is 15, guess what? They all are. So it might just be helpful to actually write that down. Oh, my Minecraft thing disappears at the bottom. Okay. 2 15s together, 10, 20, 30. So that means this is 30. Ooh. And this is 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. That is beautiful.
Mrs. Nola bought a play yard shaped like this for her son. Which expression could be used to find the perimeter?
Again, we have that word perimeter, which means we're actually looking at the length of the outside as if we were building a fence around it. So this cannot work. That looks like something for area to multiply. Well, this shows the 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but one side is not 6, it's 3 feet. So what we need is down here.
these shapes have the same perimeter?
Now, perimeter, let me get down here. Again, oh, here comes my kid. We're looking at the outside, and these are trying to trick you because it looks like it should be an area problem, but you're still looking at the outside. So, for example, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across. So this is actually a square. So all 4 are going to be 5 at 5, 10, 15, 20. So I know this one has a perimeter of 20. Well, let's do this one. Remember, we're counting the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that side's 8. And it's a rectangle, so that means this side is also 8. 8 and 8 makes 16. This side is too long. This side is too long. 8 and 8 is 16. 2 and 2 is 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. These actually, they have equal perimeters. I don't even have to check the other one. So I was looking for B and C.
Which of these shapes have the same area?
Now, see, the difference here is that they're asking for area. So we're actually looking for the surface area, the area inside. So we can count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 2 rows of 8. That also makes 16. Oh, geez. A and B.
Olivia used 22 inches of ribbon as a border around her scrapbook cover. Which of these rectangles could be the shape of her scrapbook cover?
Okay, that word border again means we're talking about perimeter. And they're only giving us 2 sides, so we have to make sure that we think about what the other side is since these are rectangles. So our goal is 22. So let's see. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to make a note of that over here. 6 plus 6 is 12. Well, geez. Guess what? 22. We already found it. All right, there you go. Hopefully that's helpful in case any of them didn't quite make sense.